Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tim. Welcome to my channel. Today we got a really special video. Ateez's fireworks. So super excited for this one. I'm a big Ateez stan. They are my alt boy group. Here's a very long story. I first discovered Ateez when I started getting back into K-pop. I started listening to Blackpink, and then I was like, what other songs are out there? What other groups are out there? And I looked at a top 100 chart, and the very first group that caught my eye, Ateez. Say My Name, Hala Hala. I was like, whoa, these guys are good. I haven't seen like a group that has caught my attention this good as well as Ateez. And I just really love them. These guys are awesome. Inception's my favorite song so far. Every time they come back, it ends up being like my favorite song. So yeah, let's just hope this song gets another win. Wearing their swag right now. I got my light teeny right here, ready for this one. So super excited, guys, super excited. Alright, we're gonna start this. Make sure the volume's up. Alright, let's do this. We're starting this in 3, 2, 1. Yo. It's a song. It's from the ending of Thanks. What's this? Sans code for all of us, guys. Mingy. Ooh. Ooh, Yoonho. Okay. You kill HongJoong? Oh. Ooh, oh. Choreo though. This choreo goes so hard, guys. Whoa, alright. Ooh. The all red outfits though, guys. They're on fire. Yoseng ending it. Yo, what's that? What's that dude from Answer? Oh my god, guys. Alright. This was amazing. They're gonna get this win. Again, Atiny, vote for them. Y'all know what to do. Alright, if you guys like, I don't really have many more words to say after this. But if you guys like this video, you guys can like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys like. Catch you guys next time. Trying to catch my breath on this one. Later.